Hi guys, welcome to App Guru. In this video, I will show you how to change your birthday on TikTok. First, open your TikTok app and then go to Profile. Tap on Menu and select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and select Report a Problem. Select Account and Profile. Then expand Editing Profile and select Other. Tap on No and select Need More Help. Now, describe your problem in the box as shown here. And once you're done, just submit. That's it. Thanks for watching, and if you liked the video, leave a like, share, and subscribe.